Watch on man, you don't know say one puppet and I represent for David and HD. Make sure you click the like button there. Make sure you share the video for a friend. You see me, tell a friend to tell a friend. Cause the brand new movie from the C title, but know for the movie I call it Thief in another person. So watch the movie to the end man. Do it golden road or you chat. Hey David and you know where going on. One David and HD.
Wow, them good old bike seat I put on no use for. Then hold on. Tia you say you want a bike seat because you bike up all. I can't sell him this man. Alright.
Yeah. Girl, why am I not going to find when we bike now, right? Yeah. Yes, damn, I'm not going to hold him.
Mr. Good morning.
Alright, Keisha, me call you back here.
How are you doing?
Me alright, what one?
Then say Christmas come early because I have one little gift for you. One little birdie in the sky tell me say your bike seat tear up and two men was a storm forward. Me say me about yeah, delight and sell your seat and I look a cheap price.
Tell me no. How you know so me my bike one seat?
Yeah, must mean it's cheap, so but we don't walk one, you know, we see things and we know say might be a this one.
Oh. Anyways. How much I sell the seat for? Because when me check in the store now 10,000, them might tell me, you know.
Then after?
No, I don't. That's why I not buy it yet.
Alright.
So how much I sell me
tell her. It's like I'm a friend from a long time. And me really until I give me the again, but you see kind of low up on funds and now I can go sell. Honestly, one next time I'll just take it and give. Because I know say me have some links on my store, so do it. You can't give me one 3,000.
$3,000?
3,000.
You sure?
Give me 2,500.
10,000 nice storage. Then that nobody. Where you get it? Where you get it from?
Where me get it from? Still, I remember seeing me links all over, you know, me and man where things just happen for me. It's a God bless you, so people just bless me with things. And that's how comes more bless you with it. So, yeah man, you can't even look at 3,000, I'm not kill you.
And a good seat, listen now.
So you're up there with our carbon fiber and everything.
3,000, I say, oh, 2,500.
If you're not have a tree, we take it 2,500. Nah, kill. Nah, do not have that sort, man. But tell you if you like, you can get it, you know.
So you say a store you get it from?
Store.
So you don't have no other colour?
No, I just this one that my friend did have at the time. You want other colour, I can look on other one, but my beat will cost some more. You know, yeah.
Alright, that's $2,000 that.
Alright, take it. Nice, man. Well, nice. I love doing business. You don't want nothing to see why.
Alright, no.
You just want alright, you want nothing.
No, sir.
You're
no,
sure?
Me sure. Positive.
Call me and call me. I have a link for everything.
Me call him.
If you want a new door, I can find door. My friend have a friend who build door. Matter of fact, a door and middle name. But we see you. Have a nice day.
Alright, my friend. Later.
Yeah, man. Lovely doing business with you. Okay. Alright, another good day. Boy. If you do it again, go in here and money, you just bless you where you're able to find the seat there. Bless you if you find the seat there and you just can't do the right. You have to go lick my man now.
I'm gonna call the work. Alright, no, I'm hungry now. Hello?
Hello?
Babe, I know some day I'm hungry.
Alright,
well, no money can bring some come and get something to eat.
Yeah man, no problem. Me even if I'm waiting, I just make one little piece of money.
Alright, babe.
Alright. Alright. Yeah man, so maybe look what I can get a link for you. Alright. Sure.
Oh, that the great David and
Oh, yeah, deal with.
there, man. Forward to my friend.
Yeah, deal with that.
Actually, 1 week, me not see you now in a youth. I can't live the maddest life in a youth.
Boy, we there a load dog, cause we do some big work for there, you know?
Big work where you go up on construction work.
Make up on construction site. We lift up some things, dog. You know what? We not talk about cement. We're playing this good, dog.
David,
Yeah.
I know the same work on me normally do. When you say you go lift up some things. I know that here you still do.
Boy, that depends, you know. What you talk about? You talk about...
Remember say me a crook back in the days, you know.
Yeah.
Thief, you know.
Yeah.
Me thief people things, rob people and take their money. You see me, and me know say you did in the bracket the well, and me don't know if you still at the bracket there. So explain to me what you mean by you go lift up some things. Lift up some steel for some people?
I lift up some steel for myself. I see them, yo.
Watch, gentlemen.
Calm now, brother. Calm now, man. The latest operation I got on not even 2 while ago. You don't know Mr. Fender. He boy around there, he mount a bike in a yard. But me I know say tear. I don't know if you know me tear. Me see tear bike seat tear up front with him. Me hear say Starman come Wednesday. So me know say tear.
Yeah, that I thick girl.
So me say alright, watch the ball game I know. Me buy one seat, cause you know say me purchase one seat from Mr. Fender, you know.
Yeah.
To get tear up on a lower price. Cause you know say if it rain, wet up a seat, that's all mucky and sitting. So me give him one brand new one. So just want look a piece of price, man. But you know say if we purchase a different
No, me know that something me just have a reason with the ball.
What?
David, yeah, me G. And then yes, me here afford from. Remember say a whole heap of work me go up and a thief boy money. Thief a boy girl too.
Regular.
You see me?
Regular.
I remember say one night time, you know, one nigga fling one stone off of me, you know. And when the nigga fling one stone right by my ears after he lick me, you know. Remember say 1 week me have to lay down in my bed, you know. And you know why me a boy when me start doing crook work. Remember, you know, that just other day, you know. 1 month, I got 2 months, me there in my yard find watch out. Watch out.
You know say me did hear about it, but me never know say it's a day.
Brother, me a ride my bike. And a man kick me off of my bike. Me a tell you say I skate on the ground. Because what? Me got thief out the man car out and yard.
You know say big puppy gonna be
I sell me that go sell it for half price, bro. Me done with thieving.
Me not tell right now, it's an idea give me. You know say me never yet think for thief one carry it dog. Brother, it could be yo,
done.
you know say yo, you dead
Yo, watch out, man.
Listen, carry me for lift up.
Me never tell you that. Listen up.
Bike.
You see bike or your thief that now have more value than a car. You see a man spend all of 600,000 a million pan in car. You know what me got thief? One ask you. You see all of me a skate pan the ground. And the man see me drop off my bike and everything. Me feel like say man don't just lift me alone and make me go on.
Why no?
And some box greet me and some kick.
Boy, you lucky say that alone I get on. But that nothing wrong to get
Brother,
1 2 bucks, 1 2 million.
I will never steal from nobody again and me I encourage you to stop.
Puppy Dan, yeah,
Me could have lose my life.
Puppy, yeah, my general. Me not top thief until they thief my life. I swear to God in heaven.
And that me did I say too. And see my life nearly thief. Me no want no more happen to me for me learning. And me learn already, you know.
Why?
Brother, stop it. I bet your woman in your yard don't know say I do them job. Remember say my woman never know say me a thief. You know?
Never.
What you mean if you find out? And so much people come and me and come tell them I want back or something.
I don't know about that, dog. Yo, I respect your advice, you know.
Me respect you, you know.
You're a legend to me, you know, dog. Come here and tell us something. Never yet think for thief and carry it, dog.
That
So
man
right
try show you and don't things to do it.
But never saw a boy when he went that way, though.
The boy away from. Remember one time, you know. Boy just go to supermarket, you know. Boy, you name took and just go to supermarket, man. And you know, say, me hungry. I'm going to thief the rice out of the supermarket bag. As the boy left the bag on the veranda and guy in the house, he come back. Because she was more than one bag. Me thief out the rice out there. And the mixed parts. And when the man come to me yard and I cuss me, so me thief rice and mixed parts, me feel shame, brother, right in front of no man. Low you alone, brother.
Yeah, big up yourself, man.
Big up yourself
Yeah,
too.
go on,
But me
go
not
on.
big up your. If you go thief, nothing more, just bill, bro. Low you alone, that's
I
shit.
go home to my man, because I make a piece of money for him, and he say I'm hungry.
Me leave one half of me no night. Me good.
You don't want to fight?
No, me good.
You sure?
Me sure.
So like he want to kick you off my bike hard.
Brother.
You know, yo,
I'm glad they know.
next week, me call up on an operation.
No, me will block you. Me will block you from call.
Alright, yo, big up yourself, man.
Look how more my friend does stop the way I do my youth.
Baby, what go on?
There, babe, want me.
Yeah, Sister, I want to pay some money I can buy.
Hey, one thing you always will provide, you know?
Yeah.
One thing my man go always provide.
You know how I do that at least.
But B, what man for ask you for when you know? Every day, no matter how me call you, you can always scare money come give me. What kind of work you dey do?
Baby, you see, I'm telling you, see, me is a man now. I don't really do one specific job. You see, when I was 3 years old, I used to be a mechanic. But it's pan a job and lick me and something. So I kind of put on that. Me now, I just on G and I see it's a people rate. So money just go always flow.
When you're 3-year-old, B?
From me, baby, from me a 3. Instead of me a suck on nickel buckle, we call you, I me and something. So I whole heap of trade me have. People just rate me. People just rate me and money.
You're talented man.
Whole heap of talent. Whole heap of talent. Me I tell you the truth. Whole heap of talent.
Make sure you know, babes.
Yeah, but down in Ireland, so
David! David!
I'm a sister, my sister. Yeah, come here.
Davidan!
Hold on. Style of big top, so I'm early, you know, so yeah.
Alright.
Me say! Hello! Why you stay so? Eh? Why you stay so, Davidan? Don't tell me if you look. Davidan, you're only thief in your family.
What is?
David, what make you go thieving, man? Bike seat!
You see me with no bike seat. You see me on camera. You see me go the man bike seat. Which man bike seat?
The one where you're having at the house, stay. I'm sorry for she where I take money from you, I don't know where you get it from. No, me a go loud you up. Me no business. Top thief. I can't back him man bike seat. First thing you go hear say, oh, Ashan brother.
So no fear
David,
brother.
Me not a thief in brother.
So you go in on a thief in brother for true. Shan, you will never see me with no man bike seat.
You have to stop thief.
Shan, furthermore, me don't know nothing about tool. Me look like a mechanic.
Jesus Christ, David, where man red bike seat there?
Me know about bike seat. Shan, me never see one tool. Me not even know if a spanner, no screwdriver pull seat. Me look like nothing like mechanic.
Me never share the same mother and the same father. Say if I did just daddy or your pa. And you know, we don't share the same man, same. Me get rid of you because you see them there, your touches, you know? What make you so touches?
Shan, me don't know what you're talking about. No.
Alright.
Alright.
You reckon? You do a 9 to 5?
Me don't need 9 to 5 to make money.
Because you're thief.
Me don't know about that. Shan, you don't have no proof so me do nothing and you never see me on camera. You can't come to me and say me
sister, alright. Me stop load you. You're not thief, man, bike seat.
Thief which bike seat? Me don't know nothing about bike seat. I don't even know what's a motorcycle. I know nothing about bike seat, Shan. Nothing at all.
You don't know about it?
Nothing at all, me don't know about it.
Alright, so if later on in the idea me hear something about the bike seat and come with evidence, I know you.
It was not me. Unless you see me on camera with the bike seat in my hand and march, go down to the people, them whoever you claim say me sell it to or whatever and do with it. It was not me. All if you see me on camera, me I tell you something.
Listen to yourself. You fi top thief. Don't tell me if you got me hard, man. I don't know everybody will come to me about your thiefness. Too damn thief. I'm going to tell a girl say, you do a thief. And every money where you use give me, you're a thief, You can't even know say a thief, you're a thief money.
Sister, man, I really went down. What do you mean you see me thief bike seat? I like say, camera now. Put you no find out time. I don't spend that money there. Baby!
B, what kind of commotion are going out there, sir?
Why? Babes, if you even know. You want to know say my sister come on my yard. Where you hear about as a matter of fact?
Who in the call thief? Me hear she say something about thief, some thief business. Who are you a thief?
No. Baby, not me. Baby, me not even know if you spell that. T-E-E-F. Me don't know if you spell it. Baby. My sister come and I beg me money. Because I tell my sister I just sound like a beggar, you know. And my sister, I love working my heart, you know, but my sister have some dirty style where I bring down my family because everybody go come and say, a Shan brother. That they must say, you know, or a David sister. Have them dirty style there. You see me? So in come and I tell me, say, yo, it one girl thief in wig and if me can't buy a feel.
But here.
And I call the girl thief and
so I'm to her man.
why? Me not even want to chat about it. Plus, he come to me with family drama too.
Me there want one new wig.
No, want to my sister, so, but I don't see that. But
So 1 week she ordered the girl so for a year, man.
no, I don't really that, you know. I just come out and tell me frustration. Say, man, he girl thief in your week and I call the girl.
Make sure, no.
But I like at least, baby.
Me not like that though.
No, not at least. But anyways, no fresh off and stuff.
Alright. Me there, no. You know what I say? I want the yard to cut. Yard where I want to cut beef from when the yard no cut. You see what the bush up and tell?
You're gonna lie, I tell you. God, no, I'm shaming myself, man. Can't believe it.
You're not fair pressure yourself.
No,
not
you're
shame
baby.
yourself. And not your fault.
No, you shouldn't even tell me if you cut the yard. You should just know if you get somebody to do it.
Dear mistake. As me say, you not to pressure yourself. You always make sure something alright, you know. So we appreciate yourself for that for.
Tell her, me get it sorted out. Don't worry about it, man. If I say mention it, that means you dip on your head. Not true.
You know, the on my head like that be, but me just make you know say you don't cut. And I not feel pressure yourself because you know have to done right now. But when you can do it, you do it, you see me? I just that me try to explain to you.
Tell her, me have a friend. I think they have one worker. TB. Now we on the road, now for walk, then I try to borrow and worker. Me yourself, we cut it, or if not, find out we and get somebody to cut it. I must say my house line on the street and the people are because I job on my
Me know that be and you always try to make sure so you alright and I really love that boy you know be. But as me say, you know, if you pressure yourself, you can just
you no worry.
easy.
Me go get this sorted out. TV! Yo! TV! Yo! Down my there. Oh! I don't see what kind of out for man. Perfect. I wonder if he even work. Yo!
How are the big man?
When me yes, me come here yard and I call you that.
So, we come and touch more coffee. You take up more coffee.
Yes, brother, call me, come and put on the stone. Put on the stone.
Yo.
Put on the stone, brother. Put on the stone.
Yo. You gotta start more too.
Brother, I come for borrow your work to be how you move so long. I'm here call and that. Where did they?
Me on the back. I deal with some things.
See, you never hear me knock on your door.
I'm here.
So you hear Waka.
Brother, you walk on a load that you calling. Brother, yo. So I thief did plan to thief more coffee.
To be home for thief Waka from you, me and your friend. Furthermore, what make you think some other thief dog?
So, you know, wait till I see me. Man, bright thing, come take up more.
Let me Waka now. Where you move someone?
Yo, where you going, Waka?
Brother, me yard no one cut. No man say me yard look dirty and me no money can't pay if you cut the yard. Oh, you move so brother. School number, but me get a one walk off, I walk off. Oh, plus furthermore, you walk not even come like a good night dog. I not start.
You're bright, you have all the heart and style, Waka. You're so bright, boy. You gotta just make sure you bring back Waka. And I me know you a long time, you know. And take time with me, girl.
School man. So how are you not back at
No,
yo, yes, if anything, me come back and give you some money for you to work as good will. Why don't you think someone that come here thief work there? I mean not do them sitting there.
no, next time I do them something about man. I come take up Waka if you don't see me.
Alright.
Go on now, no rev me girl too hard, you know.
Alright.
Big back to girls. Some boy don't know how to talk.
How you got this?
Hold on there.
Oh. I want brother, I want him. Yo, top grown something, I want brother, I want him.
Finally, that me a talk about you need that. I bet say no cursive boy and a girl can put them out on you again.
What you talk about?
And I swear, You see, that me a talk boy. You see, if me never did class you. You feel love me because I show me class you. Tell us if you top thief, you see you the honest money now.
Sis, me I don't know. Thief, stop tell people then say that top chat then say they are roadside.
Why you the thief?
She's a long time me have me work and I do my local cutting work and say, you know see me hard always cut me.
So how you never come cut me hard?
Sis, you hold on, you know, yeah, give me
Who I long?
Yes, yeah, give me
Anyways.
much you give me for the yard. If you give me money right now, I'm come over.
Me so talk to you about that. Me love you look.
Yeah.
You want a drink and me love you look, you know?
What do you mean? I ain't see flask me drink, you know?
No. Your chest too high.
Keep
We
it.
talk about juice and a liquor.
Alright, Casamiga.
Listen to me. We talk about that. You see now, you can't give your girlfriend all 10,000 because you know say 8 grand, 7 grand to cut yard. 2 yard you cut, you know? 2 yard you cut, you know? You look for 120 G, they say, you know?
You know, I'm cut for you, how much you have?
And sister, I come Wednesday or 2 banana, me I go pray, go look. See there? You make fear work of money already. But anyways, I love you look, my brother. So I pray you good. How you go?
You know, what's up a yard, me I go see me how deal with the yard. Where's the 10 grand and 5 grand for cut yard?
Which 10 grand and 5 grand?
Hmm.
You say, if you cut 2 yard at 20 grand that.
Oh, so we can't make our money then, man.
Yeah.
Alright, sis, speak up yourself.
You cut 3 yard at, you know how much money that.
It was nice seeing you, man. Alright, get out, get moving. Pick up yourself, man. I love seeing you. I just feel miserable sometimes. I love tell life, man. Sis, man, I'm not thief.
You're thief, man, bike
sis,
seat.
Sis, me not thief, no bike seat. Between me, how you hear from?
You don't need a fit, you do it.
Do it.
Oh, so we are worried about then.
Alright.
And come to think of it. Let me look on the color.
Yo, go on where you gonna, brother. Go on where you gonna. Stop
No,
for
me and nobody say they miss no what
Sis,
kind
go on
of.
where you gonna. Go on where you gonna, brother.
Ah, me say. Alright. Let me do. Alright.
Charge it. Go on, no, man.
Alright. No worry yourself.
I said 10 grand if you cut yard. That means I can pay somebody if you cut me yard. I sell the work off y'all want. If me sell it for y'all want 20 grand, me pay somebody. And I want 10 grand left in my pocket. I want 8 grand and get it be 2 grand and tell them say work a last. Me have to go find somebody. God, please make somebody want the work for you. Morning, Mr.
Morning, David. What one?
Where you going with? Go talk to me, man. What is going on?
You coming like a grad send your film me this morning.
With what?
You know long more waka?
I lie, I tell you. Want walk up?
I said.
Here. How you know say I buy the work I can sell?
Because me know you always do buy and sell.
This is quite here. You come like a godsend, you know, because you know, say, I'm a virgin did one the work I have 120 grand. And I say, I took that too low. But me don't bounce in the slow because I'm a virgin. So much would I buy for?
You know, so if you tell you the truth, bro, I want 15.
15, I mean, a tear. Yeah, a brand new work and I show you look old and just test me to see how you're going. By the time I go to zoom, me cut down here. I want forest me I come from.
And you cut down your whole life for it?
In no time, in a 3 minute tear, I couldn't believe. Anyhow, this work I touch my foot, the cut off whole life too. Tear. At 30,000 for the work I would give you 25, I not tell no lie. Much you have to, because I'm generous for you. I don't want rough up.
15 mil.
Yeah, I put my rate here, you know. But, tell you, I don't want a life money. You can't send it to my account. You have an account info.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Alright. You don't want no back. Just send it to my account.
Me send it to your account.
Yeah.
So, me on WhatsApp here, you just give me account number.
I put my rate here. I tell nobody I'm here get it from them.
You're mad?
If nobody see you, would you tell them say a hurricane blow come over here and me I get it from them. Me I get it from them.
So, you don't want more business?
Yeah, I'm alright now. Yeah, alright, man.
Alright, my friend.
Alright, big up yourself. Yeah,
Heavy.
here what I go on. Just so get the job now. You know I say hey, I not cut yet, but me get my money for cut it. Me tell us me dog up on the road and do it. Me tell us me dog up on the road and do it. So me go down the road when I'm bridging and just see me and bless me with one worker. And me I said, it's like I God tell him something in need of one. Me could not believe.
I can't believe.
Yeah, like
you're
it's,
lucky, man.
I said, I don't know if I truly good when I do in my life, because I always like give people things, you know. Like, me don't know what they call you.
I don't know you're lucky, so you're lucky bad.
But here we go on, even better news. So instead of the worker now, me sitting there, me are coming down the road with worker. This one of my friends them for a long time say, Jesus Christ, Davy, where you get worker from? You know how long more worker? Even today I go pay me for cutting yard. Mr. Tell her, me I sell a worker, because I don't really need one worker, I just need me yard for cut. So I sell him the worker for 15,000. I'm here say around 5 or 6 grand for cut yard. So in the day now, me make call it 9,000 or 10,000 depending. Plus me I go get the yard cut. So baby, me don't know how, but God know how to find a way.
You know if you sell a worker,
I make it so.
you could have made more money with the worker because, as I say, it was 6 or 7 grand for cut the yard. Say they cut other people yard. Firstly, yard or bush up back.
No, that's true.
Say if you sell the worker, you could have if they cut the yard over when
the
you're
biggest
bush
thing
up.
I have remember, I'm a worker man, I'm a mechanic.
That's true.
Among other things, so.
I don't really patrol, so
I really mind
that don't
that.
take up your time still.
Well, I just that me I tell you still.
I'm glad.
I just that me I tell you.
You just always make a way.
The money sent to my account, so I make a get in no time. Wait, you want burger today? Popeyes.
Burger more.
You want make a get it. As the money reach to my account, make a get it. So nothing in the house, so you can go for a meantime.
What you want?
Just surprise me, anything. Anything at all.
I'm kind of surprised me, you know.
Like one little bread and peanut butter or something. Alright. Well, I love my woman, but my woman I know I have a kind of cut, yeah, you mad.
Thiefing boy, that when walk at it. What is? When walk at it, bad man.
He's my brother, he's my brother.
Yo, when walk at bro, when walk at it.
Which one can you chat
Bro, you come on me and come borrow from yesterday, bro.
Oh, Tibet, dog. Bro, you see me now grow now, you know, so rain fall and wet up walk and mash up it. I'm saying you gonna fix.
So, bro, if you have me thing put on careless, bro, till I rain wet up it, bro.
Bro, I cut me there, I cut the yard yesterday, dog, and the rain just come down out and no, you don't see a place look damp right now. The rain just come down out and no way, brother. I become feel bad, I say I couldn't even link you about it, but here, you know, you give you 1 2 grand until you work and fix it, just go on normal, brother, you see me?
Yo, give me what you have, man.
But the man say, work and must fix it now, so just take your mind off 5 feet time being.
How long that I will take?
No, the man say he want spark plug and alternate and battery and some gas. We only pass it in one dark. I water go in there and drill out the whole life. I don't know how. So you just take your mind off it for your time. But me I tell you, I go and give 1 2 grand for just normal in the meantime, in between time. Because I feel one way dog.
Bad man, you better buy me back our kind of.
You can buy about one, but I can't buy about now. I feel further down in my mind. Just take your mind off it for now, dog. Because you know, if anything me you get too much shit and we chop your yard if your yard will want to chop, dog. Or you chop here, I go and motivate you.
You're a joke thing there, you know, bad man.
Yo, me send it 2 grand to your account, because I don't have no money for him.
Yo, just let me get more car before you wait down, bro.
I wonder if I can hear that.
Where I come from?
Oh, you know, say, out the door, I there go, but I buck up on us, my boy, out the door, and I kind of change my mind. If I pray somebody, I'll go with my sister.
You sure? Because that man they sound like a cussing when I cussing. What make you when I go on so?
Well, you have interest and problems, and you look like my drink, because you want to give him one on the whole world. I don't like when people say my friend them feel that and I feel bad, man.
You sure, B?
Yeah, me all tell me about one little situation when then a man a thing and the man left in the rain and he wet up and sit and I say, oh, kind of man that man, that's why I don't know people, my things, you know.
I hear you.
I say, because some people are good. Some people are good.
Where say I go with your sister go do the same sister way want you buy him wig and all of that? Me not really like her, you know. Me not like how she sound. Like, my spirit don't take her.
No, man, not.
For some reason, I don't like her bone in her. I just don't like how she talk. But how she go come ask my man to buy her with.
No, man,
I like it.
me tell you, you see my sister one very nice person, you know. He not really nice to me, you know, cause my brother and sister think that, but my sister one nice person. I just might be, you know, gonna meet her yet. Or might be just meet her on a bad time when you have the time when you get low down full still, you know, but that's why my sister that. When I eventually meet him, you like him.
Make sure, you know. And make sure I say any man don't in a nothing because me don't like how the man sound a while ago. I don't like it.
Yes, sir. But sitting too, like my sister, I don't even talk over my sister more. My sister, they have one man who is a thief. So I don't like thief now, I not even talk. Right, you know.
Make sure, you know. Make sure. Because I don't, listen, I don't like your problem, you know. I don't like your problem and I can't take no problem, no mix up, no bang around. I don't like it. I don't like the bag of argument and commotion. It turn me off.
God, no, man.
It get me upset.
I tell her.
So just make sure you stay straight and you not do no foolishness.
Yeah, what kind of
Because remember say up till now, I don't see what kind of work you do or what you doing because you not make me know your business nor nothing.
Yeah, see what you get.
Me see what me get, yes, but I don't know where it come from.
Baby,
And that I find.
Baby, it's like you want me carry down a mechanic shop or farm.
I don't say if you carry me down at the mechanic shop, but I tell you so just make sure you see your things straight. That's all I try to explain to
Don't
you.
worry about him, man. Everything good, everything legit. We have the most spanner and screwdriver and whatever else mechanics use.
Make sure. Make sure.
Alright, I'll leave my sister now, yeah?
Alright, be safe on the road. Careful.
You as well. Sis. Sis. Sis.
I don't have no money for you.
Sis, I don't have money. First thing, I don't have no money for him. That's first thing, bro.
You're right, for say I don't have no money for you. Because I don't have no teeth in money for you. Where you come at me as for David?
Sis, you're all gone. Sit down, man. Sit down. Just sit down. Sis, I feel like... Hey. Sis, who tell us I'm a thief?
Jesus Christ. Come here. If you're a thief, you think it will stay as you a thief. You know, most things that people around here say you're a thief. And it all reach back to me.
Sis, no, but...
And you know what they must say? Ashan, brother.
Man, you're too lying. Half and nobody don't know you.
How me know say?
You're too shy.
How
Nobody
me know
don't
say
know.
a thief with bike seat?
Which bike seat?
Where you come at my place for?
I know, so I'm not growing and have one problem.
Hey!
So I don't know money.
You have, you know?
You have AIDS. All of my AIDS that not nothing to do with you because you can't catch my AIDS. Sis, what me ask this? You feel like I have one problem. A serious problem. Because here I go. Sometimes I do some things. I don't chat about teeth. So I don't get that off your man. Because I don't have teeth. Like force.
With a relationship?
No, I'm relationship perfectly fine. But here I go. Sometimes I do some things like with people I rate. And sometimes even people I don't know. Boy, if you just put that and no manners, you can just pass on that.
And your knees talk, what you say?
Me I say, sometimes I do some things for the people I'm rate. And sometimes even the people I'm not rate, like, I violate them certain way because even yesterday, when I see what they want.
Like how you violate me. When me tell you say a thief, a man bike seat.
I lie you tell us. Until I see one picture with me with that bike seat, I don't know nothing what you talk about. I don't know if you work with police style though. I do some things to people I rate and people I don't rate. Where I feel like I go around them. Yesterday, I do a little thing and when my dad come back to me and he might diss me one type of, not even diss me, but I chat to me one way and I can say, yo, I'm doing alright. But what I do, it make me survive in a real way.
Then, if I your friend and he might tell you say, we are doing alright, obviously say if you talk David. I mean, no, say if you do it thief, you know. And you dirty thinking ways where you have a thief, you know.
I don't know what you talk about. But I want to be careful like everything a thief.
I wonder if I just came for me, I think we a little short fat boy that I like. Because I'm alone, I see you keep as friend, you know.
Oh man, that boy.
And he had a thief in one, him look thief to you want to ride the bike.
Oh man, that one that him top thief long time. What tell everybody else so then kick him off right back making a roll on.
Yes, because he got thief in man carry think me not hear about him.
You hear about that? Boy, crave up man, him put on your thief in game long time.
As oi, if you not top thief.
Sean, me I don't know thief.
What them a go there in our words, you know?
Brother.
Chop him and did I go chop him up, you know? And he couldn't tap him back so he kick him off fight, you know?
Sean,
Let's me place, because right now y'all make me feel like me have to go look out at me and who come for you. Because you know normally come and I just say, you know.
So me can't just my loving sister and you don't see
Your
to call to me.
Your loving sister try to tell you right and you not take it come here tell you say, just tell me say you thiefy man bike seat and you know one weed. I mean no say you thiefy David. Stop thief man. Thieving is not good. Yeah, you thieving friend them. I don't want to ride the bike.
I'm not friend no. Alright, I realize say you're not helping, so I know what I have to do. Right now, I so watch man, I have to get on a bike or something, because I realize say you're holding
man got thief. Me have one black dress so me no wear it.
I don't wear a dress.
You don't worry yourself for it to go wear.
Wear a dress now.
When you thief your bike, just know say you not no sister, but you go get bike. You think no say a thief, you go thief it.
I don't know if what sisters are right or wrong, but dog, I don't know. I don't even stress my brain upon that, you know. One change to shut up, sweat up. Stress I kill my friend here. I change to shut up and go down and shop. Because, you know.
Easy, my killer. Just call on daddy. Respect, man, every time, here. Yeah, man. What go on, mommy? Big up yourself. I want to finish, you give me 20 pounds of flour and 10 pounds of rice. Here. May I wait for you? Hear me, mother? Heart of love, man, every time. Jaja, you. Take your time, man. You're not ready, my mother, man. Anytime you're ready. Yeah, I wait for you, man. You see me? Yeah, me have enough time, man. You know, me not run gun away. You see me? Yo! Jesus Christ, Father God, man! Lord God, man, take me bike. That's great.
What is a boy are they? Look how long you have me to sit down there wait saying they come. So I don't understand this. Oh. How much better to come in my yard and me not own bike? How you text it? How you get? Where you give me that freedom? Where you get bike from?
My phone on, honey. My wife.
Where you get bikes?
Yeah, boy, I mean, I get bike. Alright. You know, I say you buy it not very clean and all, but you see when you buy it, it looks so I throw me there for like smoking and mother and sitting. Baby, should me buy it this one. This is the reason why I broke so from out here, because I save hard down at the mechanic shop. I had to work them, I save hard, man. I buy myself one to buy it now. I see there all the time, I see one go to have half ice cream and stuff. Thanks.
Why? You're very ambitious. You boy, me could have never choose a better man.
Yeah, no. That's something I look like.
Ambitious, bad.
Yeah, me not tell a lie. Yeah, you push me for go so hard, you know. Push me so hard. God, no. So see, anytime you want to go out and our stuff, you have one look.
Worry, no, we're about that good.
No, man, no worry.
You have to start from somewhere.
Yeah, start me here to come buy a car. Now. Anytime, I just want to wash off and I'll be able to like this.
Yeah, man, we're so good.
So I just that.
I like your color. I'm my favorite color too.
Wait, gold or blue?
The gold.
Go buy some gold necklace and diamond.
Yeah, because I'm tired of silver. You know, sister, I don't love silver, you know.
No worry about it. I go down to the office, go work hard.
Make sure.
Believe me.
You don't have to pressure yourself, you know. You don't know, say, I'm not fussy.
I put in some serious, so don't worry about it. Believe.
Make sure. But I'm proud of you still.
Don't carry me, no. See key, man. Walk with the key and carry me.
Yo!
Why pray?
You know so many need to have a conversation though.
What go on?
David, me your friend. I respect you. I rate you as a brother. Brother, you just need to just listen when I talk to you in a youth. Listen to me, I say, David. You're my G. you need to stop off a thieving. Where you get the bike from? Me not say you can't work and have money and buy bike, you know, bro. But just tell me as a person, where you get the bike from? Me and you know a good set. And a right good sis.
Never buy.
That's why you need to stop, bro. Brother, remember, you know, me get rub up in a man kick me off of my bike, you know, bro. My ankle, right now, my ankle even come back if you look pan, you know, bro. Right now, if me move all certain, my ankle hot up in a dog. Me get this sign, remember, say me that crook, you know, brother. You can't get worse, and me not say worse. I go happen to you, know, what me just try to show you, brother. Me hear your name a call in the street.
Power.
I want a little hit around and you didn't even know, bro. Between me and your brother. Yes, you walk away your teeth from Tibi. Tibi have one wicked cousin. Them the man there. You said one night time me the thief and my name did hot or something. I don't know if you remember the time me go and mobile one night time. Buck up with the nigga there. And so one night time me go thief something on mobile. You see me thief 100,000 from one youth. And me and Tibi cousin up there apart. And me I tell you say the youth they are one wicked. Them man they are top gun man. And he come like Tibi tell the man what go on. Me say you sell the waka to Tia, you thief from Tibi and sell the waka to Tia.
You know that?
Brother, you think in the street, bro, and the man they don't want to come and then come dash you, bro.
No, but me tell the man say I'm mechanic have it dog, I fix it and say.
Brother, me say the man cause he don't want to come and come dash you. I call the man, call me and ask me things, boy, and me have to tell the man say, bro, I'm a general that. And me tell me say me I go warn him. So from when me if you come link, you know. But me never want to come up here, yard, brother. Cause might be the ignorance me did have in me, might be mother come chat in front of you, oh man. Come on, you have to stop, brother. And I say, I just go and hold it till me see it even call me, no want to call you, brother. Come in, no want to call you there on your woman and me chat it too. Davy, you need to stop, brother, man, did have hit on your head, brother. Just listen to me if you say, no, bro. You can't lose your life for this, brother. I work right now, you know, brother.
Alright. Me just tell you after that, see you. Hit gone or stuff.
Me chat to you nigga said you, but you know sometimes you have some man can tell you say yo we good and you not good. Still look out your eye. Always tell me say governor and he not grown me badness cause me and my G like that. But look out your eye see me you would. Listen to me and say bro.
True dog, alright.
Right now I feel like all this a bike to brother. Yo sell this a bike brother or just go put it back in the people me hard or something brother. Feel better youth. Your name think in the street bro. Think of one place. I mean, know you smell it.
Yo, respect for putting for me, guy. Me I do you right for sure.
Do you right, David, please. Me no want to lose you as a virgin, dog. Remember, dog. Me can't figure this, you know. It's carried upon me for the rest of my life, you know, brother. A thief cause that, you know.
Yo, respect, dog. Yeah.
Do you right, bro. Respect you, bro. Do you right, dog. If me ain't rate me could make a nigga roar and roar, you know. Yeah, me G, bro. Do you right, bro.
Well, young now, I'm not go find a road. Why, thank God for pocket and if you don't know, show me pretty my bull still I do my ranks. God, look how everything just. Well, I'm not even knowing.
No, Sagi. How you look, so?
Oh,
You look sad.
no, man. Oh, man, me alright, man.
I like you look.
No, what me just me look alright, man. I don't know, man. Me alright.
Do you look sad?
No.
What do you?
I don't know.
Me notice you not even working and got 2 weeks now you not going nowhere. What they going in your life? What they going? Where they hide? Where not tell me? Talk to me.
Alright, baby. We tell you the truth, you know. You know what I'm saying? The mechanic shop now go on good, you know. Cause I don't really know still. I mean, I want a big boss them down there, but the other 2 man them own the company too. It's like everybody has split up, so now we can't really do no work because you know, in manager them, everybody now do good. One man I say this I pray, one man I say that I pray, and we just stuck in the middle. So we can't really have no customer them because every time if we have somebody down there, we have to charge them and the price they not agree upon. So it's soon start out still, but maybe right now.
I like you look, babe. I don't like you look none at all. And not even gas, me see it's not even gas I can buy if you put in a bike and things like that. But what more you have to know is, no matter what, we're going through a rough patch right now where things are rough, very, very rough. But me just want you know, say, me go always there for you. Through thick and thin, me go hold it down for you, same way.
You promise?
Plug it up. Me go there for you, no matter what. I'm not still there. And things,
You're there, I'm sure I never see you so good.
I just say go, you have times when you're up and you have times when you're down. Which now, I just a time when you're down. Which things soon good again.
Boy, when I
I
tell
just
me like,
time.
Kelly, you come like that best girl never do. No girl never yet make me feel so. When me there on a broke stage and can't provide. I tell you the truth. God know if me am the last one I take care and give.
I just
And
say
you
go
see this
sometime,
little speech I will make to me. It just give me some inspiration now to go out there and do it. I put on a mechanic thing for a while and go find one hooker or something. You're right, and I shouldn't even sell the work because I even know I could have it.
Yeah, you could have like,
But
when you get things like them, they be, you have to just put it to use and things like that. You can't sell things like them, they have to do investment. All the bike you can go use it run bike taxi or something, but you can't sit down so.
you're right, man.
You can't sit down like this because it don't make no sense. You have to try something big.
Right now, the way I see it, just if somebody else they want to buy this a bike, I me just sell it and just buy some seed or do some farming or something. I mean, I don't know, mechanic thing might be a time to put it down. Because I one virgin who used to do it too, but daddy have an accident where all his skin creep up and something and dog say, yo, better me put down a mechanic thing because you only good for a while. So you might tell me as a elder because dad do it long before me.
Oh, it kind of hectic. Oh.
So you might tell me. But me I look at ideas too. I know my sister, he said one way you say not to like,
Yeah.
I make your meeting. No yet no, but me all link him first an idea today.
Alright, no problem. More meet her because me not really want to judge her like that, you know? Even though my spirit not really take her from based on how she be here.
Yeah, but make your meet her, man. But
I just, I guess sister, me have to just try to live good with her, isn't me?
Me personally, I go link her right now. See if we can get one thing for her.
Alright, just careful on the road there.
Alright.
That's all. Just careful. What I'm gonna do what I do. I don't stay too long.
No, man. Soon come. Alright.
Later.
Alright, take care. Sis. Sister. Can I come in?
Come on.
My loving sister. Favorite sister.
Davi,
My only sister.
Davi. Me not have it.
No, I don't beg me come bigger.
Davi, me say me not have it.
I don't beg me come bigger.
Okay, now listen.
Sis. You know what's all along? My name been a call for some things and...
What?
Hold on, man.
Ali and turn back.
My name been a call for some things. And you are calling me thief. I don't know where you get the word from, sis. But... Man, I feel like I want to change my life.
So. Hold on, this the capping. So, all along my friend tell me say your brother a thief, a true. So, Davi, you been a thief. Say a thief.
You Red Sea where you a chop boat for a win. I know about it.
You thiefy.
I involved in it.
No, you thiefy.
Yes.
Jesus Christ, disgrace.
I'm silly.
Come out here before you thief me out of my house.
Sis, hold on. I come to talk to you. What day a couple of weeks ago when I come to you and tell you the situation. And that I did want to tell you because I said I'm grown and I'm afraid.
So hold on there. You walk a thief, you thiefy.
Sis, told me I still have no time for bash me now. Sis, me I try to change my life. I no time for bash me.
Jesus
Sis, I no time for bash me, man. Just tell me. So me I say, me just try to change my life, you know. So me I confess. I don't have nobody to chat to, and I have no parents here, my only sister. And you're just you and my girlfriend alone in this world I care about. So me I confess to you, and I just try and make it know I'm wrong. I do some holy person. Enough things you hear about, enough things I go, so I go. But all the things are not so echo.
Davidan,
Sis, I just try to change my life now.
you're sick the stomach.
So you never do wrongs in your life, eh?
No thief.
Sis.
Me take foolishness from people and continue go back. And that type of foolishness what me doing in life. You come here and tell me say you're thief and you apologize to me. You apologize to you woman you have over there. I'm going to see her if you tell her how thief you be.
What if you tell me my business that no concern you? When you have a whole heap of man them sis,
Hey!
I have to Tom.
Come out of me house.
Say I take dick from her.
Come out of me house. Come out of me house. It's like say you did a county strokes and you know if me did a take dick from Tom and her come.
Sis, I know that me come to talk about. Me and son now me in a situation because I stop thief for much weeks now.
Jesus Christ,
Sis, listen. I don't know nothing for proud. I'm just tell us, yo, I'm gonna change my life. I tell us, yo, I'm stop doing and sitting there. And I don't have one form of income and all, so I don't know if you can. sis, I don't know if you can give me 1 2 tin mackerel or rice.
No, sir, I don't have it. Right now, I have back shit out of hog mode. I don't have it.
Not even 1,000.
Me say, if I think mackerel, I don't have $1,000. Listen to me. Get a wrong one. I have it.
If you more.
Go thief.
So you really are selling me for thief? You have one brother?
You have one woman over there making call. Somebody sit work out, sit me keep me not have it.
Sis, you really are selling me for thief?
Me say, me not have it. Davidan, come out of my house.
Sis, me not left for now. Me not.
Oh, sit down.
Me not left for now. You have to do something for me.
No, me say me not have it. And me tell you this. Me tell you this, man. Just rest me.
Sis.
I'm going to do and go water my flowers then. Bo, you want $1,000, you want 10 mackerel, you want this, you want that. And you see to me, no trouble nothing in my house. I'm glad I don't have nothing here.
God no, Father God. I don't know what I'm doing in life to deserve all this. Allah me tell me know what I do, but Father God, I try to do it right. And the one person I world like for the by my side. And my blood. We never born come see my mother. My father run left way. From my sister little and me I take care of her. I'm not saying owe me nothing, but at least I never beg him nothing yet. You have him and them I know, so you have him embrace some money, but why? I don't know if I might come in life this for suffering, but even if me I go suffer, I swear to God, so I not make my woman suffer. Cause she never do me nothing wrong yet, through thick and thin. They're by my side. Sis can't tell me nothing, you know. Can't tell me nothing. Swear to God, you can't tell me nothing. You know, so you have to have sitting on this barrel there. We have a rice off. That's my sister wicked doing. Tell me say 500 US. I'm begging $1,000. Jesus Christ, my sister no made me no good. And now me know this is $75,000. Me tell him say I'm dead for hungry. And he couldn't give me $1,000. Oh man, me I check this money and cut off my sister. My sister no made me no good. God, me tell us I'm not a thief again, but this is the last time. You have to do it. Have to do it, man. Let my sister come back and cut.
Let me forgive that thieving boy. No, I'm not style my thief. But to bother my brother, same mother, same father. I'll never forgive my $100. I want to be this. I'm a white man give money, you know, I no time I spend it on no thief. Cause me ask him if my thief and he chat about now. But too bad from what day, I know you no more complain about him. So he look like he top thief, you know, for true. And I used to take care of me, you know, I don't really want to show water in my face. Remember where I come from before, remember where. But I mean, that would really take up thief things. At that time, when they take up hot girl, you know, and can't manage hot girl. Eh? Give me $100.
I I'll go left this house. I am going to get sense for there. So.
Daddy,
Yes, sure.
you say, I think about it now. I think you $100 out of my money or my man. Give me.
You know, see, you don't have no money. I don't have no money from you, man. They good.
Yeah?
You know, see, you don't have no money. Where you get some shit from?
I listen to you. Anyways, you say if you never hear any and call for no more foolishness. You never no call me back, you see, man. And I told you used to good to me, I used to take care of me and little. Make me a good game money.
No, man. Sis, make your money time, man. You don't have to give me no money.
So I don't want the money.
Sis, make your money time, man. No good in your wallet.
Turn your back, turn your back.
Sis, make your money time, man.
Me say turn your back.
Sis, make your money time. Yo, me no want no money, man. You can't go me out. No money.
Yo, turn your back, no man.
Sis, no, man, no, baby. Good, brother. Good. You come on.
Yo! Come here. Yo!
Wow.
The money.
Which money?
The money. The empty.
Sis, where you talk about? Sis, where you talk about? No, brother.
Hello, give me my money.
Sis, where you talk about? Sis.
Oh God! You don't just tell me say you're top. You don't just tell me say you're top thief. Eh? You don't just tell me say you're... Hey, don't touch me. Stay from my top.
Sis, you don't understand.
You don't get you all I eat. I don't bother get you.
Sis, my desperate, you don't understand. Me never beg you nothing yet. And if one time I beg you as my sister, you deny me.
No! You beg me and why you never wait. You thiefy. Come out of my place.
Sis, me never beg you nothing.
Come out of my place.
I'm sorry.
You say if me give you, me change me name. Yeah, sure you say. One. You not get it. 1 money, 2 money, 3 money, 4 money, 5 money. You not get it. Get paper. Watch him. Damn thief. If you tap thief. If I'm matter of fact, me a come up here and come tell your woman. Watch and see. Oh, then me a come. 2 thief man.
Yeah, what you call me, Safabi?
I'm sitting for tell her.
Guys, don't listen to him.
I'm sitting for tell her. I'm sitting for
what?
tell her.
No, me force a chat.
What make me they call me so?
Yeah, I'm sitting for tell her.
Aye. This is
Baby,
David.
now listen to...
Wait, you not confuse me. One at a time,
Hello.
Lord Jesus.
Baby, you're not even know how this is. Listen to me, man. Listen.
I mean, I sister.
Be one at a time, you not confused.
Let me first
What
start.
problem?
Let me first start.
Alright.
So, let me break it down a little faster for you. Because really, you don't know what. Your man a thief. He walk and he thief. Anyways, no.
Girl, hold on. What is?
Your mother thief, if you play back seat and if you play walk and sell it back to Tia.
Girl, no, like I tell for my mom.
Remember, say you want this.
No money from you. So I'm not like...
Be a true she a tell.
Baby, remember something tell us something.
Girls to girls, look me, I look out for you. In thief and he come over me yard. He tell me say he's sorry for your thief and me didn't write about what me think about it because in thief shut up your mouth. Because in thief. So now me I say come out of my place because I know say me did right. Listen now, because I know say me did right. Alright now.
Girl, this unbelievable.
Listen now, then me come outside now for water my flowers. I think about it now say me man give me a little 5 bills yours, you know? And then me say alright then. I go bust my brother, because bad too bad I need my brother.
Yeah.
And he look out for me. So I say, me I will give him a little bills and test him, seal and test him to see if he might go work, continue, stop trouble things. Anyways now, me go in my house, I look for money in keep on and say, sis, me ready. Right, he must say, sis, me ready and sis, me nobody want the money man. All of a sudden, you know, want the money. So me I say, no bro. True, me tell her say me not have it. Me just sit down make your wall out for your feel or you feel for go work. Then now when me look in a vase and me have my flowers them. Can't find the money. So me say watch ya. And me alone live. Me and nobody no live. No man no come and me and do a hotel go do here and come and me and me do ever la. So why make as you we accused of thieving come now? Me money gone. So me drape in my doorway. See the ask my father I take out my 5 bills US all time pocket.
You lost.
Babes.
You know, you know, love the girl. Tell her the truth.
Yes.
B.
I tell her the truth.
Me I want you 8. I don't give none. Thief.
I tell her the truth. So now my sister said, I saw you go. But no for baby, me must
Just talk, cause you upset me now, you know.
me I tell her the truth. Me and you, baby.
Me not like that, me not like thief.
Me I tell
And
her.
my
Lion
two of
thief
them.
walk together. Me not like them.
I like two of them.
Sister, me I say no. But me tell her say me a mechanic and do other things. Me a mechanic.
No, you're not a mechanic. You're thief in my bike seat. The thief in bike seat and 5 man bike.
Girl, you know how long me I wonder what him they do for film work so make as me can ask him for sing can come give me.
No, but what I not remember.
And me never yet see him with one tool and he say I'm a mechanic all of that. And me ask him where am I doing, he not tell me.
Well, honest, so true you provide for your girl, that means you have to go you're too thief. And you're disgrace to it. But
And me there so they hold it down with this boy I feel so much hungry.
no, but I become a top for the last 2 weeks.
you top thief for the last 2 weeks.
And when me say me I got to my sister now for and baby me take care of this girl.
You disgust me. Me not like thief.
Left him. You have help your pack left for dirty boy. Thief.
So you really
Right
go.
now,
I don't know.
me know, sir.
I don't know you're a thief for your sister. You?
No,
I
and my man.
left her to deal with you. Come done with you.
David, you have to do it.
I don't give no money.
Go on back to your sister.
No, no, come
Go
back.
on with her.
Me
You
not
know,
want
me
to
no.
You can't let me because of this.
What you
So
mean?
you go put me out.
You have to go. Look how much I soon start thief on me.
No, I'm for deep right here and me I hold it down with you. No, mother.
And me that hold it down with you. You not hold it down with me because you're a thief and you lie to me.
So you really go put me out because of
Yes, you got to go.
that? For real?
Yes.
You can't give
So
me
come collect your things them and go on back to your sister cause and me and you now work.
Well, I'm tired. Help! My rent is due, but I'm not talking about me, maybe I'm talking about you. But here we go on, in a real life, we're talking about a new movie. We're out right now. As a matter of fact, I hit your watch. So get your popcorn, get a big soda, get comfortable, gather your family around. Cause we have a new movie out right now. Here we go on. So just remember, like, subscribe, share, comment, and just do the right thing. Cause we out here do it for you too. Merry Christmas when you come, Happy New Year next year. Alright, active for true. It's early, I'm not a camera, man. That's one time for them. I heard if you go up on the road, come here, I said, pay this rent money here today. I feel agreed today. I rent you. I don't say all read. I feel agreed. I don't say all read. Well, Miss Carl. May I go do man? Father, guy. Just help me today. You know, see today go on a rough day, but that's a ask if you help me. Just help me, what are the time for trouble? Just give me 1 more month worth of freedom. I'm gonna feel alright. Pause. Now come.
Still going on a big man morning.
Good morning, sir. What money?
You know that you rent you from when?
Yeah, man, I know say today do one. Oh, no say today do, but you know, I work on it, man. I make sure say, yo, I do what I can do for my kids today.
That mean you keep on having this over and over. Every time I rent you, you take a long trip to your brother.
No, I don't take long to pay, no. I just it's not much of everything. Remember say normal I'm paying rent. I remember say I just true. My parents them pass away in the last 2 months. So that's why I'm kinda fall back on Facebook. Me I work on it, man. Don't worry about it.
Your situation and my situation and my business, you know, bro. Me not gonna lean and sip on you, know, bro. Make sure say before the day done, me get the money.
So you couldn't extend the time to next week.
Today more of my money. Me not gonna lean and sip on you as me tell you early and today more of my money, bro.
Alright. Tell you, I work on it as best as I can. So if I find half a month today, I couldn't do something.
9:32, me I'll get until
5.
3 o'clock.
You can't give me till no, you have to give me until at least any idea man till the evening or so. Give me at least till 6 o'clock.
She a good boy. Second time this they happen to me. Then get till 6 o'clock, bro.
So you say if me give you half you can't.
No, bro. Which half? Where you get half from? After the half I house I live in a.
Alright. Alright, I work about me I work then.
Just when I come back 6 o'clock I don't have my money. As me I put you out.
Alright boss, I understand.
Alright, just mark word. Big up yourself.
Alright. Call it $4,000. So you never find 21 more thousand from 25,000 I'm already done. I'm gonna have $4,000. What me about the call of it? What me about it? My life. When you come back, I can't just lock the door and pretend I'm not there. What? When you have key for your house, what me I go do? I look can't wait to hide me about the place. Alright. No, I'm not give up. I'm not give up. I'm in a tough situation. Barely make my parents them. Girlfriend left me. And I know when you have a family and walk my car me back, but after turn at this a place and it's a place I only place I feel like I'm at home. Can't get put out. Can't get put out. Alright. I send one voice note to myself when I can concentrate today because I have to go find my way. Dobby. This is Dobby I talk to you. Now say I go through all that right now. You know say things seem tough. But here I go on this morning just starts. I look a bit off at 9 now. I already do 6 o'clock. So here I go on. You know say I'm a true believer and you know say I'll do it. You have 4,000, I have to find 21 more thousand before the day is on. So, what more I do? I get up. When I get up, look in the mirror and tell yourself say I'll do it. Because enough people don't say I struggle, you know. Enough people think I struggle loud. Say, when you struggle you have to wear dirty clothes and pack down and look worse, but in real life I'm not even so I go. Because you've been a struggle for the longest time and nobody not even see it. Because you still have smile, style, who you can, but delete yeah, man. Here I go on. I chat to you. I chat to you. Someone say I'll do it today, yeah. Someone say I'll do it today. Kayla.
Me dear, I wish breeze blow you come right here so now.
Morning, no.
Morning, me there here. I want to make you reach my yard.
You know, say I just come look for you, know. My best ex, so I go on.
Nothing no go on.
You alright?
Yeah, me wonderful.
For real?
How are you beg?
I beg nothing. I just go and check on you.
No man, me I left around 3 months now. And you know, how much?
Around 2.
Round 2 months now, right? And you know, come look for me them the period of time. They know you come look for me.
Kayla,
I was so special about that time, eh?
how me for look for you in them time? You know, say in them time that my parents said they fall out and me they have a funeral and sit. Now you not even come at a funeral and look on parents and treat you good.
But me ain't know there.
No matter.
It matter.
You could show your respect.
Me not in the family member. See, your mother never tree like me. Your father not tree like me. So it never really make no sense.
You're a liar. The only reason you think they never like you because you keep a bun. That's the only reason you think they never like you.
Actually, they never spend your doggy bun. You keep bun under style.
I would never do that.
You see me kill.
But either ways, I may say you could have definitely made my time I need. But all of that good still.
And you left me if I get that?
Definitely because me kill them.
So me left you in the time I need. If you didn't need me in the time I need, you'd stay with me with the bun. You wouldn't leave. You'd stick with together.
Kayla, you're not good for me. You're not good for me.
Oh my dear. Oh my.
You're not good for me. If me did that with you now long
hello, my man so come. Or up and talk. Me have a man now. Or podcast. Woman too come. Or
Alright.
podcast.
Kayla, in all look situation, you know what I say? I don't really have no family and the girl cause I pass you also.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really have no friend I'm comfortable with like that. Kayla, I rent you
Oh my God, what me have to do with that?
at 25,000 for my rent. I only have 4,000. I don't know how you stay. I'm not big enough, but I want to borrow one 21,000. If you can lend it, I really appreciate it. And if you even want to put some money on it, you can work and make it get it. The reason why I don't have you now, from Melissa, I'm going to call me back. They say in the next 2 weeks or so, because season I take time and I pick up back. So by the time I work, I can make it get back money. So that's all I ask for, because I dip on my face and now my landlord he mad to put me out because I didn't pay last month rent.
Yeah, you hear what you said to me while ago? Hear everything I come out your mouth? You left from all the way your yard, come here, ex yard, come beg your ex 21,000.
No, borrow.
Borrow.
With interest.
With interest. If you can't find the money to pay your rent, where you go find from to pay me back?
I go get me tell us in the time that I have work on it. So me more than give back.
That means to me now. If me and you was in a relationship, me woulda give you the money. But you see through me and you not there, me can't give you the money. Me sorry. Can't help you. If we were together, I would have give you the money or give you even half of the money. But that work, me that go out there and come back in with the money can't give you. But me not there. But someone know more can't help you.
Yeah, you can't, you don't have the money, you can't lend me half of it.
Alright, guess what? My room dirty. I'm not in the mood for cleaning. So if I clean up my room, I give you 5 grand.
5
That's yeah, that's all I can do. I can't do better than that.
Alright, come and show me your room now.
Come in. See your room here, clean it up.
You know all that bad now.
I just have to let me live and put up in bed.
Alright. It's a 5,000?
Yeah, it's 5,000 now. Me I go back for the front.
Alright. Alright. 5,000. Let's clean this room. This is not bad. Do this, man. It's a 5,000 and I just go on. Look a bit more money. Means I can't pay my rent in no time. That's what I tell this man say I go find a way. Kayla! Kayla! Yuck! Kayla!
What happened? Which is me get work for doing your call me name. Me not like to call me name, you know. Me head a herb, me tired.
You don't see you was condom up on your bed with all semen in there.
So take it up. No, pay me a pay to the place. We can take up your condom, man.
Give me one gloves, man. Me not. Kayla, me not okay. Give me one gloves.
Me not have no gloves. Take up the condom with your hand and take one like your baby. And this morning me use me and my man just too long. My man just don't do the do. I'm exhausted and tired, man. Take up your condom.
No, brother. I come like you lose it. Come like you lose the relationship, but and you sense them too. Come take up use condom with my hand. You look like idiot.
Me feel like an idiot.
Give me one gloves, man. If you want me clean.
Hello, take up your condom and me give you 6,000 now.
No, you can't buy me out for them disrespectful set yeah. You can't buy me out, so brother. Give me one gloves now.
You don't want the money? Me have a rent you pay. Take up the condom. Me not take up the condom and give you 5 grand.
But you just a 6 a while ago.
Me a 6 me a skip with you. While ago you interrupt me, man. Jesus Christ, man. Clean up the place.
Just make sure some have money.
You want it and I have a choice. You need it.
So for underpants, you say?
My man underpants. Pick it up. Don't take up the man underpants with no condom, boy. Take up the condom with your hand. Me keep my ticket dash it on you, you know.
Yo, you have to give me 6.5. Give me 6.5.
I guess it's
You have to give me 6.5 if you want me to.
just take up the condom in your give me tough time. I know I'm scared. Me easy to get
You
ignorant.
have to give me 6.5 for that.
Me-
You try to humiliate me.
I'm sure what it is. Show what it is. room in me.
Yo, I'm here, my youth.
What's up, my house, man? That's how I come back my money.
Yo,
I'm coming box in your face with you.
give me money.
What's money?
Give me money.
You do work to get money. Move on. If you want to let me in, you call me, man. I won't go to police station and say you left from all the way your yard. Come and harass me in my house, Davy. You come find them and come and harass me. Help! Lord of God, help! You harass me. Move! Come here, come beg me money. You know, no pride. Box.
Yeah, tell you, man. No girl can't diss me, you know. Yo, lick me in my face with condom and sitting. You can't diss me. Keep your 6 grand. You idiot to hear. Come on, I tell lies say about me over your abuse of Jesus Christ. Man, how me doing a life for this earth? Yo, where are you, bro?
Yeah, my father. Let's go.
There, man. Bro, I know what I say. Dog life I beat me wicked, man. I tell you no like that.
How going on, my father?
Bro, right now I'm stressed out. I'm stressed out. I'm shame, I'm embarrassed, bro. Life now deal with me good.
Shame, I'm embarrassed. How going on, sir?
I know, so this morning, I'm telling you from the start, you know what I say? I'm grown dog, so when things are going on in life right now, like my kind of broke, storm, funeral, everything dog, but my rent due. I owe dog from the last one. But bro, me is a man, yes, when me have money, I pay my rent for regular dog.
You know, for thing already,
bro, I never yet owe him money, you know. Last month I first owe him. You see me? So, rent due today, you know, bro. And dog, I say, yo, you know, no leniency, you want the money. I ask him, so, yo, of course, I can find half by the day if you done. He must say, yo, you know, I know half, either you getting all money. And come out and place. And I say, a normal pre-cards, I have an idea of him place that, but I say, if you say me, I want a tenant for over 2 years. And I just, since every little thing happened, dog, I just owe you. I say, you could have been more lenient with me, but it's a normal priest, because every man of them want money, you know? And everybody want their money differently. So I'm not really best with him for that. But this man, I say, alright, I only my ex-girl over there too much years now, dog. All that girl there makes now, like
Slim as that?
yeah, all that girl there makes now, like girl there one wicked, man. I tell you now, like when people in there not even come a funeral, cause me and him left. You know how me and him left? He give me a bun, a wicked piece of girl. The girl there,
I go check him this morning.
We check him and see if me can dog. I tell him someone to borrow a piece of money from him and give him with interest, bro. Cause me not, bro. I desperate me even link him, bro. You see me? Desperate me link him.
Call me, man.
Like you have a hot phone, man. Desperate me even linking, believe me. So, I tell him, say, yo. Kind of sneezing that, man. But anyway, I tell him some of that link him, would I give him back with interest, bro. And 21,000 me I look. You see me? 21,000 me I look. If he even tell me say I have half, or even 10,000, still would I give him back with interest, bro. Because as I'm saying, I'm not really lying and not good. He might tell me say, yo, him can't nothing. If me and him there, would I give me money? But like how me and him left, now they not which she I wouldn't big woman too. So me can't beg to her for that.
No.
And now I pray that too. But he might tell me say, alright, what you can do for help me out? Give me 1 5 grand if I can clean your room.
Clean your room.
So me I say,
it's a forest too, my dog.
Bro, I better me can do, but me not front up or nothing still. Me say, alright, where room then? You carry me in there, bro. Yo, I believe say, when me there, I sweep off the bed and sitting. As time, me fit lift up the sheet. I want condom, my buck up in there. I be, bro. I be coming I can dog. Can't believe, bro. So I call
Kinda wax him.
No, man. Nah, that underpants there too. So I call the girl and say, yo, what this? What kind of style this? He man say, no condom. If me don't know condom, look, this man, he man just rare. So, he man say, take up, so I say, take up work and give me one gloves. Really and truly, I don't want to take up the dog, but yo, I kind of want the money still.
Understand,
rent, money over everything, leave money over everything there, but I need a place to stay. But me I say, alright, yo, give me one gloves and money take up it. Because me I say, mama, this is embarrassing, dog. You see me, you can't call a big man for you to take up behind your man mess and shit.
No.
So, he must say, alright, I'm going to show me humiliating. I say, girl, take up your underpants with the condom in there. So I feel, say, alright, I'm going to carry out here now. I see, girl, start fan me off with it. So I say, hey, girl, I want you. I lift up me and box him, but I say, no, I can't box him because I eat that too. Then, I go in front time and I say, what you do? Give me money. Cause right now you try to style up my thing.
Yeah.
So him come and I say, I start load up him out and I say, police, stop you over here, harass me. I tell no lie, I'm not too good in the neighborhood there now. Cause everybody knows me and him good and everybody knows in them time you see, everybody knows me I get born before me know dog. So me no want to feel like say, I come back.
It's a neighborhood thing, no sound right. It's a village, you know, a village.
In a village. So me no want to feel like say I come back and I find out say me I get born and did I mash him up for two.
Yeah.
Cause bro, me not tell no lie now, a bad man place that you know dog. I know like some good not bad enough, but
Me understand and a full place that. I'm saying a full village so. Yeah,
and me not even walk with a mash yet.
Nothing.
You see me? And then, you see, if you hear me go on dog, and me would have convinced me over there, kill him with the lick. So me just take up myself and cut, bro. So right now, I'm not even getting no money from that there. And the girl beat me with the condom. And me, I feel a way about that.
Beat you with the condom.
Yeah, just season, man. I make nobody hear, dog. But I kind of feel a way about it, bro. So,
Why?
I don't know still, dog.
I get things with the see a way about differently. If I dog up the road, when I'm talking, man, you know, I look at construction, I say, you know. Like, you can check him and can give a piece of work, man, you know. Tugger, man, you know, Tugger, man, black tall, Tugger, like, man.
That's sitting there, son. Shana.
Yeah. That up there, do someone to work on the place, you know. So probably can't go up there, get a piece of roast, man. Can't pay your rent, man. I know dog with the right thing, you know.
Alright, me all link him.
Yeah, me think say me, say, you know.
But you know, not different, could I give it to?
No, I'm saying, if you have him with a gate.
Alright, now I'm all free, bro. Respect, yeah.
Yeah, man, regular gate.
Father. Morning, David and Tucker, no show.
Yeah, all good.
You know what say, I want a piece of work, no come on, I beg your father come here if you don't want to come back.
I never feel labor.
Yeah man, we can't tie steel and lay black and everything.
Can
Can't lay black and tie steel and labor. Any type of work right now. I just want to work right now. Any type of work.
But you know come and work, man. You come in as supervisor.
No, actually, me just hear about him, man. But me not look much difference, man. I sit back here, too.
No, man, my old clothes.
You can't man, any work, man. Any work at all.
I kind of close off, you know.
Father.
Kind of, you see, I'm here the labor.
Father, me can't lead and sit down, man. Where do you work for you? Father, you
You can mix. You can mix matter.
Me can mix mortar, mix cement, mix steel, mix
Yeah, what mix it?
shovel.
You don't know water mix it.
Father, you know what's going on? This is to me, I put me on the put out. Me need this work here, me need it. Me do anything. Father, me mix it, me flash the wall, me carry cement, me build the house myself, me desperate for your work. Please.
Alright. Two okay, I'm going. But you know, I get much pain if me yeah.
Much.
You know, because you start from morning.
Father, alright, don't worry about that, man. Father, I cannot.
But who tell you about that?
I draw a bone, son, man.
You're born.
I'm pure with the cook.
Oh, you don't even say, man, can me link him, you know? You link him, but it's like he's not available.
Don't worry, Father, give me a couple. Get tired now. Let me take over our here, man.
But take your time, Mr.
Come on, me can't take no time, man. Me have other work to do in this one. Can't take no time.
It's up over there.
Yeah, man.
Honey, you're going to get it.
You good?
Yes.
I'm kind of sick.
David, what's that dirty boy do up here? What's that dirty boy do up here?
You know him?
I'm a dirty ex.
What?
I'm a dirty ex. You can't believe say him come over here this morning and push me down.
What?
Come over here and beg about 21,000 when I want 21,000 kind of rent due. And he give me one go to hell, push it all my lower back and hurt me.
No,
he push me down and let me on my
Father, I lie
face.
my tell. No, man. Father, I lie my tell. I'm
Are you come up here, sir? He all kick me on my stomach, baby.
Father, I lie my tell. Give me what no, man.
You're saying no, you're saying good if you don't take.
Sure.
Father.
You
Right.
just command, me even know if a job won't send you over to do.
Father, I lie my tell. What my mother come look how me mix everything already, man.
Hello, move in front of me.
Go through.
After you come on me here, come kick me down. Go through.
When look. Wait till I hold him out. We can't let me mix it tight.
So the man let me still mix something.
So you want me to leave this make it hard up?
What a party when you come back.
Just sit down, man.
Alright.
So what going?
Yeah.
You there?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me if I can look at breakfast, come up there.
You left not off the cook.
So one thing I mean you buy it today. Then done?
Hello. Nobody start with me. You
You
just
buy
go and
4
work.
ramen yesterday. Hey.
Go and work. Just go and work.
You know, look about that car, come on, man.
Just go and work. You hear? When I done, I go work, go look about something to eat.
Oh. Yo, miss me, you know what me doing a life to take that easy girl they just follow me everywhere me go, man. I'm get one what look come and make one piece of money in idea. And that what make that gentleman there for there that the crosses girl there. And you never do. I mean if you look him about yo, me tear the girl they come like a Satan. Watch out. That boy, I deal with.
So I took us to go all over boy. Come to a funny piece of boy, and check him and make you know for your, you know.
Yo, you're good use and that. Bro, you want to believe something get you up. So get you up and mix up the cement dog and something. Cause you really and truly go on and give me, but this one I call him name. He got it out, say yeah, a good thing.
You know, because I go funny boy sometime, you know, one kind of paramore while.
Bro, I really life dog. Get you up and mix up some cement and something, bro. You know I believe say. Said, girl, I'm going to tell us I'm going to link your teeth up, y'all, this morning. You know I believe say she and the brother. Dog.
You want to salty them, man?
Yeah, you think that and you just did finish the day with the work, everything would have good. But here we go on. Not even the fact say man there, you gotta come over there when you see me like in face change. Cause me see the Vienna, but me not even mind. Me go and mix cement say do it. But say he start telling man say, babes, what this a boy I do for the side, run him away. This a boy from over here, this man say he want to take 20 grand from me. He kick me in the belly and start to sit down still. Man take away shovel and I feel like weird actually. Man take away it's run me off the side, bro. So run me off the side, dog, right now.
So you're getting the people who do not
Man not at this man this me. But you know what go on. But me I left me just rich girl in the head back dog. Cause me still there praying for the thing when I do this man, you know. And this it come like a girl come like one pestilence and all that dog. So right now we just give one no look and run off dog.
I should have more to like when you go to white teeth man, cause you can't do business not relevant.
Bro, if me did them, would I feel better, bro. But dog, right now me I go over go down and cut it dog. I don't even know what I made that dog. Believe.
What's up? I'm picking up it's a dog in a day, man. So now worry yourself. I see me can't do, you know.
I saw you.
Pencil can you
Up at top of you, what's that way?
Yeah, but I go up there, man. Cause you may come start something for up there for you. But like that go, I'm not going to go up there again.
Nah, I'm pretty done. I go down here.
You're right thing, man.
Oh, then I come down stretch.
Can't believe my mouse so I'm like girl running head. No, I'm over it, man. Go check my making my full on and see what I go on because you know if there's something there. Dogga.
Daddy.
Where you go?
Yeah, man.
Go and get a trip, man. My boy come check this morning.
Who?
See my boy come check this morning. Peace out.
Why you saying someone there?
So my boy peace out, man.
Come here and say everything, say. I gimmicks thing in the pan.
Oh man, so that peace out, man.
Now some things say gimmicks thing in the pan door.
No man, I really got good youth, man. As I'm saying about it now.
I don't know what. Me have to run him like a no man ex. And not saying come over there this man. That's some sitting there doing.
You show me 100 man.
Eh?
You show me full print man. Tell me say my mom say about what, 2 years ago. Or about 2 months ago or something.
So long?
See me? How long your mom there now?
For 1 week now or 2.
1 week now. But I don't know, well I know your mind about. So my boy tell me say that I'm saying check him off borrow 21,000 for your rent and so on sitting. Mama keen say watching the man. You have to clean in place and sitting. So if I go in there, to clean the place, I'm say you might give him 6,000, you see me? But when I start cleaning, person you see one underpants on the bed and see one use condom on the bed and someone sitting, you know? You see? When Patricia
Use condom.
use condom, it's full of things. Use,
But you see that say something about condom, you know, full get the story.
Like, but I tell them say, yo, him and money that right this morning and left me and someone sitting. So like pass it, yo,
What I know me ain't over there.
any over there? I tell him man must do something this morning, master, and left it on the bed and pack
I
go
mean,
in
say
there.
she talk to somebody else then.
I don't know no boy. Then my pa must have saying want more money for it.
Yeah.
More to the condom like him and 9 face the condom in. Use condom in.
I
know.
think say this girl so nice and smooth.
Yeah, we look nice and small, but inside boy ugly, you know. You all the left now, you know. A bun waggy dog, you know. Yeah. And the person drop out and won't even come if you don't you know. So for us,
And then this is wrong.
wow. You know, girl pin coming out, but
Yo,
for us jigsaw and so on,
you
you know.
one week, you know, these two.
Hope you put all of the girl there with my father.
No man.
Give me a hard man, cause I don't know good girl that go to his son like, I'm not worried now.
But to I come out this morning, me think that ain't now all big argument.
No, man, I too much I started
Or
this
him a
morning, man.
stalk or what.
That's a good youth, man. That's a working youth, you know.
They left 2 shovels there, but give him not recommend.
Alright, let me see that, me give it, you know.
Yeah, cause you can't help him stand it, you know.
So big up yourself, I go up on her back, you see me?
Yeah man, we
Yeah,
there
man.
man, we just done much up to work, you know.
Oh, you finish up already?
Yeah man.
Alright, place looks
No,
good,
no.
man. To come on, man.
Yeah.
Alright, boy, big up yourself.
Alright my father, let's take a time.
Yes, man.
So that means you have 3 man.
I need for one alive, man. It's bad now.
I know.
David. David.
Yo!
Yo, Marcy. Next time can't open the door, brother. Brother, you're asleep. You're so comfortable, bro. You know, say you're right for you, bro. You're right. You how long now?
No, man, I'm fighting this man.
Oh, you must get 25 with the 25,000 you have. You pay me for my rent.
What? Boss, yeah, and I want to 2 o'clock. Would you come back so far?
Bro, you're still in your sleep, bro. Wake up, man. Shake up yourself, bro. What do you mean I'm not even 2 o'clock and me come back so fast?
So you come back, no 6 o'clock you're yo.
So at what time now?
No, for 2. You need more time, but boss, you're on here, man. See the 2:35.
Yeah, I mean never did have much time, but anyway, I'm glad me reach still because I want rent money.
But with me, I would agree for 6 o'clock. How you forward so early?
Bro, agree or no agree, bro. Me give you some time. I must can come up with my money and know, bro. Want it, brother. Davy, I want to your head space, bro.
You don't go like, alright. You don't go like, bro. I'm gonna go for some work this man, but you don't calculate, man. You have to 4 grand or so.
Bro, it's a 4 grand. I feel time when me give, bro. At 25,000 for your rent, you know, bro.
Yeah, so 21 oh, you know.
Bro, this a feel time, bro, where you're at my house, bro.
What?
This a feel time, bro, where you're at my house, bro. Look how much time pass and before you even think, bro. Yo, bro, bad man. No let me go to station, bro.
So much more.
No must see 25, bro. This a feel extra time when me dey give a blind for me stay in the house,
So that
bro.
means we can get rent next month then. And that's 4 grand for.
You want me go out to station or what?
Boy, if you are talking foolish now, because I give you the money, that means say, either I owe you 21,000 or I go owe you overall. I don't understand.
You dey pay me for space at time when you're in there for few hours and with the boss, bro.
So, me make it right now.
Yo.
But me can't carry it in the night then.
Bro, just make sure so me get the money before you done. Always me I go to the station. Me I go to the station. Just make sure me get the money.
I'll go back in there and I'll find a hook.
Father, me see you call me, you know. But me kinda busy, you know. And a matter of fact, me know you call me for already. Me must say you borrow me money from Melissa, you know. I know you know give it back to me yet, you know. So you see you call you and call me know some money you want to borrow. Me not, hey, nothing in a life not free now, you know, my father. Hold on, me I get a beep. Yeah, JPS a call me, I want to pay my light. Me call you back. Yes. You know like that, big.
Yeah, the father color.
What go on?
I'm there, man.
No disrespect still in my father, me a bridge, you know, but just when you forward it.
Yeah.
No, you need to knock the short. You know, I think kind of critical now. Plus, Melissa blowing the whole of my yard, the fence, everything. So just call me when you afford me, can know so your fault. So I pray you know, a long time I not see you.
Boy,
But Melissa deal with you good, man.
No, man. Boy, right now I'm there for my face.
Ras.
I do my head can't do, man. But a different story that. You know what I'm saying? In real life, do I drop asleep and wake up back. Come landlord come knock up the door.
So why you need to wake up back?
Boy,
Well, on the landlord come knock up the door.
you're going on, man. Me give
How you get too much? You give him too much money for your rent?
I wish I did that and him go and give me back some money and say,
Hold on, how go on?
here I go in real life. You know what I'm saying? I don't tell no lie. Color and book me up on my face from away. On my face, I don't grow on. You know what I'm saying? Me woman, me and him there.
Hold on, man, because I like get things straight, you know. Because I remember when I go to school, I never that front or back, me and I middle. You say it up on your face, like you lie down on your face and
things not going good for me.
Oh, not now go on, things rough.
Things are rough.
Oh, I feel all away, man. All away, man.
I feel like you're rough upon me. You know what I'm saying? The funeral them in the last 2 months, it cost me one piece of money. I'm a landlord, but I'm not telling a lie. If you 2 years, I did
Hold
it.
on, man. All way you bright boy, man. A girl in the use, but you move too fast. Remember, so I look at London me use. What you say about funeral?
You know what I'm saying? The people in Japan, man.
Who for people in Japan?
I told me not to talk about him, man, but pops they in Japan, man.
But although me no live good, you know. I mean, still no live, but you could have tell me come at the funeral.
Let me give you one drama too. You know what I'm saying? Me and my girlfriend left because I find out him I give me bun. Even though he give me bun, you know what I'm saying? He don't come at the funeral. And since man, me even link him, cause me link him for one piece of money, you know, me drop, as me tell you, things are rough for me, me link him for 10 cents. Or tell him some I borrow one money from him to pay him rent and give him back with interest. You know what he tell me say? He tell me say, if me and him there, he would have give me, but he don't. Me and him not there now, so he not give me nothing. So he tell me say, color and book, he tell me say right now, only thing he can do for me is to go clean up in room and he give me 5,000. So I say, alright, normal pre that, we are man. So anyways, me go in there clean up it. When me move the towel, no one can not messy with the mess in the said way. So I call him and say, oi, what is this? He might tell me say him and his boyfriend this morning or something so. If take up here and he give me 6 tons. So I say, me not depend on that. He say he take up here and start beat muddy and run me out of the house.
Beat you with the condom.
Me shame, color and book. You know how me no box him down? It's the neighborhood. A big bad man did that.
Oh, neighbor black.
Bad place. And he start ball and say, rape. And say, how me in there hold him down. So me have to take with myself.
Hold on, man, hold on. Hold on. You know ball, you from you left and everything, you know ball.
No ball when you left me, you know.
You just a ball for you know, because you're good. But, hold on, Davy. You go through a lot. Your girlfriend left you without no reason.
Give me a bun.
You give you a bun. You give you a bakery, truck, everything.
The whole factory.
And then after that, now you go through a lot and you reach out to him and tell him, say, you look at money. And him tell you, say, you have to clean out the room.
Things are nice.
You know, so you shouldn't go clean out the room. But anyway, you go clean out the room.
I told me to go.
So you want the money, me understand that. And then you see the condom. Remember, so I don't feel the condom, you know, the condom after the somebody, you know. And you take you out, and then him beat up.
Color and book.
And me alone to tell that.
Color and book. I tell my friend Jabo.
Jesus Christ, Father. What make you tell him?
Color and book. Me shame, and hurt. Me can't hold it to myself, so I link Jabo. He send me upon one.
Jabon have a plan on your phone. You better pray if you have a plan, because everybody go here, you know.
Normal.
But anyway, get to the topic, you know.
Jabo send me upon one piece of work. You know what, Toga have one construction site over so.
Toga that a Mr. Brown father. Toga the local maga youth. We're not try for us and trim in here.
He have one construction site. Me go over there and beg him a work. After me tell him say, Ray, me get the work.
You get it?
Me get
Thank
it.
God.
Hold on. Color and book. Me get the work. You want believe say, guess who want Toga there?
Him and your old man.
Me dirty ex. The girl come in on for breakfast in car come. He come and say, oh, this a dirty boy I do on your site. What you do on your site? I say how me come over there come kick him in the belly this morning. I want bag of color and book. Him man take his shovel from me and run me on my yard. Me shame.
Hold on there.
I so comes me gone.
Are the same woman when me know you have? I know that a woman there.
You know could have always color and book.
You never watch movie yet? Boy, that woman you come like a JC in a one part of your life and the next part you come like him a Freddy. If you sleep and you dream, you see when you Freddy. If you wake up, you
why? Me don't know what to do. Right now, me not even want to tell all of my stress them, but right now you come like a mad dog.
Me no want you no more, cause me never cry in my life yet. Me auntie cousin, sister, uncle, cousin left. And in drop out, in unalive. And me no ball. And see me have a ball for you. Me can't take no more your problem, man. Right, look here, from your forward look wild. Me wash my face and look good, and from your forward and me have your problem. Me ugly, me heart for look pan. Me no want you nothing more. Alright, go along down you now.
Me get to your point.
More left?
You know, me give him 4 grand already.
Who you give 4 grand?
My landlord, at 25,000 for my rent. You don't know how things are go, but you know what? So you can lend me and me give you back with interest. If you lend me 25, me give you 30.
No, hold on there. Can me tell you say, me never the front of the class are black, you know, me in the middle.
Yeah.
What you say look while?
If you lend me 25, me give you back 30 in a month.
You want me to lend your money?
If you can.
What do you going to lend me and give me back interest and you don't happy?
No man, me soon get back my watch. Melissa blow and the hotel in lockdown, but my boss said 2 weeks time.
You know, say your landlord will kick off, my landlord give me 2 months free, you know?
Yeah.
So why your landlord?
My landlord, he will take
Davy,
2 months
listen
extra.
what me I say now, man. Listen, from morning my phone ring and I pay people a call. Me know say if you call me, want to tell us something have it. But you see when you tell me the problem, you know, me nearly want to lend you. I feel like I want to lend you. I'm not sure I want to lend you, you know.
Yes, you can
But me have to think about it. Let me think about it. Hold on. No, let me just think about it. He say woman beat him. And then he get a rope on his side. I think about it, you know. Hold on. And he get a rope on his side. And I woman did that again. He might go through a lot, you know. Wonder if I help him. Hold on. Wonder if I help him, Father God. Help him? Alright. Alright, me think about it.
Yeah.
Yes. Me I go lend you the money, you know. But let me tell you something now. You know, me kinda tired. Me I go up on the road. So, nothing in life no free, you know.
Yeah.
So me I go lend you the money, but you know. No disrespect, you know. Me I go lend you the money, you know. But no disrespect. Me if you wash up a plate them in my house, I'm kinda tired, so me I don't even can wash them up for me.
Oh you mean color and book?
How much money you say
I want 25,000.
No man, you come like a whole restaurant you have to go wash up, man. A whole heap of money that, you know.
Much have?
Alright, me I go lend you 25. Me I go lend you 25. So
Trail.
yeah man. Yeah man. But just wash up the plate them first.
What run about then?
No, me not have back. Run a black.
What you mean color and book?
Yes.
What else you want? You want your shoes? Give me your shoes, man. Me wash. You want wash it up?
No. But anyway, you can if you don't mind, if you want to sweep up your yard, you can and carry some water.
You want me paint your house?
Yes, and some water from the party. Oi! Remember say dog around there.
Good man. I'll him with feet.
Alright,
Wash him too.
alright, do that. Jesus Christ, Father God, what a man wicked man. Me not take up no can no me no.
Nah man, I'm so much plate. Color and book a wash one. Then, wash all. Like a mag, it's not in a plate there. Bleach. 25,000. We're not sure again.
Boy, the man. No.
Color and book, so much plate you around, man.
Oh, if Fab done, you want more Fab?
No, you plate them done wash, man.
You done wash up your plate them already?
Everything.
You sweep up your yard?
Color and book, me sweep up here.
You paint round the house?
No, me you paint done. Just see if you get someone, come back and deal with it, no.
You dog not trouble you?
No, man, you good, man.
No, man, me not believe you. Hold on there. Hold on there, man. Lord Jesus Christ. I'm a dog, man, beard. No, sir.
Hey.
Let me tell you something now. I say you wash up your plate them fast.
Color and book, you know you're some desperate for your rent money.
All you have to sweep up fast.
Color and book, if you tell me if you catch a sky, would I catch you fast?
Listen me, I say now. You see next time you come on my yard, don't beat me, dog. Me no want him taming. You wash up your plate them too fast, man. Come. You know some. Oh Jesus Christ! How me ever tell you this now, man?
What, you want to give me extra color? Yo, me know say you're good youth. Give me 30, man. You don't bother me, you just want to give me no choke.
You know say. You know me just get an important call. Me side chick.
So what?
Me must attend side chick me have, you know.
No,
Me not talk the first one, the second one, the third one, or the fourth one. Me attack 10, 9, 8, 7. The 7 one, side chick. Say you want the money. You want to do a bash shot. Abortion.
But you know, man, can't live.
Me I go give him that money. Remember, I'm a side chicken. Remember them speak pan your liquor off the back end.
But color, no, I say me just wash up the plate, them and baby.
I know, but
But
I'm
yeah,
a side chick them.
color,
You know.
2 times sweep up here, you know.
I
Color,
mean,
one
me
at a
tell you
time.
sleep up with 2 times. But listen, if you wash the plate fast still, me say I'll give 1 2 grand. Let's buy a beer. You see me? Me I go because me have to give me side chick the money. And one more thing, when you are left just like a gate, oh, me just remember, Melissa blow down the fence, no gate, no did just walk out. And next time no beard me dog. Sorry about that. You know side chick they important. Had them going at the studio and sing.
Color, well, we see how it's my turn, brother.
Father God, please forgive me. Me no mean nothing. Side chick them very important, you know.
Yeah, did them father.
Well, man.
You put on for washing though.
Yeah, man, if you watch, you know.
Boy. The rough teeth in the way, you know.
Yeah, I make water gone, I'm gonna wash.
No lie. You know, it's different though. I want someone to come borrow from you, you know. You want 25 bombs, someone come borrow, you know.
Come on, Ben, talk to you, man.
You know, say my boy, I want to stay with him, wants to try help him out, you know.
What kind of situation?
The landlord want to put him out and sitting. I'm going to check in ex-girl for a month. The ex-girl give him all. He house in room to clean up. And boss me I saw a condom on the bed with beer sitting in it.
I don't know if you can.
No, ex-girl.
Oh.
I borrow money from the pay in rent.
Oh.
But the girl want him clean out in room. And boss book up a condom on the bed with beer sitting in it.
Oh,
And
God.
pass you want extra money to do that and mama just take you and start beating with it. Wax him up and see what he can
It is since as you speak highly of him.
do.
You hear me, I tell you. Somebody just gone drop off $200 from you, yeah? So you know the $200 worth 30,000, right?
So.
So I go mother Lenny. Just take it 25. How you speak highly of him.
And care about 5.
And care back 5.
Boss.
A matter of fact, you any little poor picnic when it's up on the road.
5.
Give them 1,000 each. Let them buy juice.
Alright.
Make sure you do right.
You know my thing come already, man. Alright, man.
I'm not trying to lie you tell me. You know.
No, oh God.
I love smoke and drink.
Yo, Davey.
Yo, job one, I free.
Yeah, man, some of chicken shop before that come give me a check, you see me?
Bro, I know I say, I'm not really in mood though, my bro.
Yo, I say no man, no bother with that, man. Come give me a check, man. When something come check it, come check me, man. You see me?
Alright, my bro, I'm not.
So come give me a check, man.
Alright, bro.
Wash
Alright.
no face. Let's go.
I free, bro.
There, man. Let's go on for you.
Damn, I'm there, dog. One now, man. You know, say between me and you. Be almost done. I'm gonna make you run from it. I feel like, say, I just go and pack my things, dog.
Pack your things.
Ah.
Why with that, man?
No, bro, I'm not another option. Cause
Everything much, man.
no, bro, a while ago, I got link from the board coloring book as a last option. You see me? Coloring book as a last option. Yeah, I believe, say. Linky dog, job boy. Dog, wow, can say, oh, man, let me 25,000. But can say, if I feel no way for wash up a plate, them, so I say, feel no way with what, bro? Yeah, do me a favor, my dear.
Hold on there. You link your ex, girl. You have a clean house. You link your... Are you virgin that?
Real virgin, bro. But
And you have to wash plate. And you're real virgin that. What you say? Keep talking. Yeah.
so, in some wash up plate and something, dog. Bro, I wash up a plate, I sweep up a yard, I feed the dog and bathe the dog. In real life, dog, we're living in that house.
Sweeping yard and bathing
Bro, to
dog.
the way I'm appreciative of the money, dog. You don't believe someone don't do all that, the man all link me and say, yo, your side chick must want to get rid of some belly or sitting dog, so you forgot a doctor. So the man all look for me and give me $2 and say, yo, you can't lend me money again because no one call him. But dog, in real life, I feel like a craft me. I'm not job one. So the man give me $2, dog. If I could have taken and fling him back off him and this him, I do it. But I can't afford to do it because dog. I just use the $2 and buy one food for the night and find like a box to sleep under sitting dog cause.
Next thing, somebody can buy more than food anymore, man. I'm telling you, man, but here we're going now. Some of the people, I'm not really virgin, you see me? Link on my boy, man. Borrow a thing from him, but he doesn't know lend me. Man, give me it. The year what go on.
I wish me there were bridging like that, man.
You have one like that, man. Watch out. I two bills this. Me not lend you know. Give me a gear that.
Job on a lie, tell
I say, give me a gear that my father, man.
you. I thought you told him, I say I couldn't find rent, man.
25 for your rent, you know, 1 foot for him. They can't use it 5,000 and buy for groceries from father, man.
Yo.
No bother with
Yo,
no bother with that.
bro,
It's not, man.
thank you that, yo.
Yo, it's no man, it's no bother with that, man.
No, man,
I don't
yo.
respect my father, man. I
Bro,
want man, just respect
bro,
my father.
thank yo, I'm brush off,
But you're mad until they say them the boy and read for no your power part my father, man. And I do nothing my father, man. What is me?
You don't know what you do for me right now, bro.
Yeah, man.
Bro, you don't know what you do for me, dog. I tell you the truth. Job on.
No bother with I feel that my father, man. Just need a while ago, man. Normal free, man.
No, bro. Right now, I gotta shop and get something.
Do your right
Thank you
thing.
so much.
Pay your rent.
Alright.
And yam some
Yo,
food.
thanks, here.
You're good, man. Big up yourself. Yeah, there's also a man there and no real friend them there, you know. But if you want man wash plate and be a dog and see. Tell them, man.
I want to some money. I'm not big. What I'm good. You know, sometimes in our life, not every friend lie, but you see my boy Jawbone. I'm a really used. I really like Jawbone, I really do. Man, she can't pay my rent. Man, she can't pay my rent, Father God. I'm nice, believe me.
Yo, look for my bike, dog. You man tell me say 50 grand you want give me for this.
Eh, I lie.
Yo, I want 20 more. Let's take a fine.
50 grand. What, bro? This worth more than 50
You know
grand.
that me a charge you this me.
So it's not like a coking thing you buy.
I'm with my badness. How much money me pay for this?
Clean bike, I'm gonna buy no puppy that I just me not having money, I don't know.
Look, both man, if you have the money, me sell them and all the thing you want to do, I wash off, you know. I don't know how me I keep
So,
no man.
what am my price?
Your price, you make 110.
110.
110, you know, sound bad. Me not talk about the 110, the car, them, you know.
Oh,
Me talk about 110,000.
can't pay down pan, you know, cause, what as a matter of fact, why can't get piece of rent money, you know?
539. I even know, you know.
Boy, rent due 539. Yo, don't move. Me soon forward.
May I go and wait for you?
Yeah, rent, boy, rent due.
Alright.
David, what one for me rent, bro? At 5:39 now, soon 6 o'clock, you know, bro.
Lad, you're insecure and good, man.
Oh,
I'm telling man, my rent money put on, you know. So,
I'm
I like how you push on the front day, and I'm not go around here. I like how you push on the front day, because you know, so me that trying you. I never yet owe you, other than if the one little time the things gonna go on in my life. So, when I can't push on the front day, you come and take me 4 grand.
bro, me no problem for no talk. You know, say I'm rent money, come in, give me rent money.
Yes, I tell you something I like how you deal, your money secure and you're good, but I tell you something I appreciate that. Because in a year time, and you never deal with you no type of way, but hold on for a bit, man. Now, one more I didn't have to get already.
Money, oi. Money, oi.
Let me see this. Oh, boss, I two much love me there, I don't know how I want. I don't know if I can't get that down. It's a 15 more bills. That's a boss, that's 16,500. I don't know how I don't know if I last, I don't know how I must give you 4 grand pay now, so around 25,000 that. I don't know why you feel rent. Not sure, I don't know why you no money, or I don't know why you no big money. I'm going to have money, you know. When I'm approaching it, boss, you want to walk me up and...
Yo,
Boss, what
yo.
you want to walk me up and I get styling today. I go make cement. My ex-girl style me. I all heap of things I do, man. To keep the 20 grand. Remember saying things tough, you know.
Now zip your mouth. Go and go pack your bag and leave. No. Go and go pack your bag.
Boss, give me back money then.
As a matter of fact, who else?
Boss,
Pack your bag. And don't come back here and pack.
Alright, baby. I'm gonna link you later, okay? Alright, baby.
Yo, puppy dan.
Yo, we say ready now, Fiki, you know.
Yo, wait now, brother. Eric's breaks. You know what say come like me. The boy go around me think me no bother take no money from him, you know.
You know, but I take no money from him, so you rent no deal, so what you mean by?
The boy I tell me saying he get a stress him and how much walking up and get styling, but he give me $100 US and 15 bills, but he give me 4 grand early on.
Hold on, call if around 20 grand in here.
Alright. But the man give me more money, brother.
What to be? Sorry, really 5 grand you go on so over. In all this paying rent.
Yeah.
How long you over your place?
But 3 years now.
3 years, you ever miss a rent it?
I first seen them see.
And you go on so over 5 grand you out. You know how much me I give this a bike for? 120. And me take off 10 off it. 110 me tell you to give me. You hear me I go on bad boy price and you go on bad over 5 grand.
Me see people are going bad over close spin.
Alright. So what you know now? 130 me I give this for them. 130 and it start. Remember say about no person? About no person? You ready, you know? 130, you know, watch out. But no press, you ready? Lock off your back. 130 and get to move right now. So yo, where you there?
You know over here that pack up figure.
Pack up figure away.
That must see some, me don't know.
You put him out?
That must.
Watch you know, man. Yo, Tibi, you know something I like how you move and grateful and wicked.
Puppy member say I inherit the house and I like say I build me I try a thing.
So now the same thing you to do a try a thing. And when you buy the bike from me, you want to go look money, you want to try a thing. Tibi, you can't put out the man you can't do that my youth. Give man a chance youth. The man never owe you rented. And the one little time the man owe you 5 grand, bro. You make it look like a one will rent him man owe you. One look at money man owe you 5 grand.
I'll give 50 grand fee bike and owe you.
Yo, live for friends. You feel like say, hey boy, don't run put me in a boy.
Alright, I'm gonna make it still. Alright.
Yo,
but you know I take you 50 grand.
50 grand for what?
So
you
you complain with my 5 grand when you owe me.
Yo, go on where you go. Eric, you must feel like, yo, don't run put my boy. Baby. Boy, I tell my boy you want to give me 50 grand fee. You must be mad. I look at your rights to fee.
David.
Yo.
David.
So me can come in. I hear a place and I'm live here again. I'm close and I get to go up the road.
Boy, father. You get to find out some middle of the day with harsh, bro. Cause me reach with one of my brethren and go and say, if you give a blind till all the next 2 months or 1 month. So I'm sorry about that. You can't stay till a month, bro.
Father, I'll lie you tell.
God know, bro. Just know, say.
Boss, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You don't know what you do for me. Believe me, son. All day to them try and get your money, man. Believe me.
I know, man. I know how you feel, man. So just put back and unpack your bag and just normal off till 1 month time.
You sure?
Bro,
Boss, thank you. I could have hugged you. Actually, I love man. I could have hugged you. Thank you.
no, I'm gonna hold
Thank you.
That's what I hold you back, you know, but I also no love back, man. Alright, so big up yourself.
Alright.
Yeah, bro.
Look, you see the only boy. You must say you'll find the right money. You must say you'll do it. So calm. 1 more month, please.